The Holy Father has had some difficulty with his knees, but he's always been very committed to work through the pain and the difficulties that he's experienced. Many people know last week he was in the hospital briefly with some difficulties, bronchitis, but always committed and dedicated to doing everything he can in fulfillment of his ministry and his office. The 12 young people chosen for the washing of the feet are indeed all the people who will take part in this ritual today in different churches throughout the world. In some ways represent the disciples of the past and those of the present in all our vulnerability. That is, they represent all of humanity who needs to be cleansed and washed by the Lord. As we mentioned, the liturgical planners have organized this event to make it as easy as possible for the Holy Father to wash the feet of each one. For those of you watching on television, you can see that those who are having their feet ritually washed are on an elevated platform so that the Holy Father doesn't have to bend over. And with each of the people present, the Holy Father pours a little bit of water over the right foot of the person in front of him. He then wipes it with a towel. Again, it's a ceremonial washing. Then wipes it with a towel, dries off their foot, and bends down a little bit to kiss the foot of the person in front of him in a gesture of humility. The idea of washing the feet of guests is perhaps something that is not terribly common in the modern world. But even today, this ceremony of kissing the feet, we can recognize that kissing someone else's foot requires a great deal of humility, and it is a gesture that is very out of the ordinary. And of course, the Church performs this ritual precisely in imitation of our Lord Jesus Christ, who gave this ritual to us as an example for us and to symbolize how we should be willing to bend down and serve our brothers and sisters in any way that we can. The hymns, mostly in Latin, they're chosen for this ceremony in this Mass. To serve and to reign. Here we listen to Dove la carità è vera, where charity is true. Where charity is true and sincere, God is there. And a number of other hymns included that the choir will continue to sing as the Holy Father washes the feet of the young people here in this ceremony.